Welcome back to FreeFromFoods. Today, we're making crispy gluten-free potatoes and pea samosas. Crispy on the outside, soft and spicy on the inside, these gluten-free vegetable samosas are packed with flavor and completely wheat-free. Let's get started. Boil 2 potatoes. Peel and mash potatoes with hands and keep safe for later use. Cooking oil 1 tablespoon. Chopped onions 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds 0.5 teaspoon salt. Lightly fry onions. Add mashed potatoes. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon salt or to taste. Chili powder ½ teaspoon. 1 tablespoon fenugreek leaves. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds 0.5 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well. Add ½ cup peas. Add 1 small chopped onion. Fresh chopped coriander. 2 green chilies chopped. Mix well. After a while, turn the heat off. Let it cool down. Eurostar gluten-free flour is recommended by dietitian. ½ cup is enough for 4 vegetable samosas. ½ cup Eurostar gluten-free chapati flour. ½ teaspoon cumin seeds. Add ½ teaspoon carom seeds of ½ teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Mix well. Water is needed to form a dough. Gradually add water and knead into a smooth but firm dough. Dough should be like that. One tablespoon gluten-free flour for sealing the samosa edges with water. Make a smooth paste. Divide the dough into small balls. Roll each into an oval or circle using a rolling pin. Cut each circle in half to make 2 semicircles. Fill with 2 to 3 teaspoons of potato filling. Form a cone with each semicircle. Seal the edge with a little flour paste. Pinch and seal the top edge to close the samosa.